For a plastic material in contact with food products, Annex 2 of 10/2011 requires the specific migration testing of 23 metals such as cadmium, iron, and aluminum. The testing process initially requires cutting of flexible packaging materials. Specimens are placed in a properly designed incubation cell which does not contaminate the sample with additional elements. At the second step, simulant is inserted in the cell, which is then sealed tightly to avoid evaporation. The sealed cell is then placed in an incubation oven. After the incubation period, simulants are properly acidified with nitric and hydrochloric acid to dissolve and stabilize the migrated metals. These are then placed in the auto chamber of an ICP-OES instrument. After forming some standard solutions and drawing calibration curves before each testing day, the liquid simulants are evaporated in plasma environment and the metals which migrated from the packaging material are quantified. Each metal has its own specific migration limit which has to be respected for the material to come in contact with food products. Similar procedure can be followed for other plastic materials such as plastic containers and bottles. If you need further information regarding specific migration analysis of food contact materials, contact our laboratory and we will be happy to assist you.